moving at the cessna copter speed, and he has the low constant rev, so he must be a police cessna copter. He's over 2 for 181. Flash, flash, flash. Flash, 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 tail, tail, tail. Flash, 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 under, under, under. Flash, 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 white, white, white. Flash, 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 white, white, white. Front, front, front. Back, back, back. Both wings. Back, back, back. And he has, I think, a white headlight, and I see the green wing light. Just over the 2-story house tree now. Little left, little right, left, little right, left, right, left, right, left. Slightly right pulse, right pulse. It's hard to tell with all the lights. Little right pulse, little left pulse, little right pulse, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right pulse, left, right. So he's continuing down towards Solero de Cerro. The lights are ridiculous, makes it difficult. Little right pulse, left, right, left, right, left, right, left pulse to the center, little right, bump pulse. It's so difficult with those lights.